Hi guys, it's Mary. I can't even talk today. Thanks for stopping by. I hope everybody had a good 4th of July. So, it was 112 here. I don't know what it was yesterday where you were, but when it finally got dark enough for fireworks, it was 87. So at least it wasn't too bad. So I thought we'd just do a short video today since everybody's still in like holiday mode. So I've done several retreats, and of course when you do a retreat then they give you a coupon code and then you have to go use it because why not? And so I've picked up quite a few things that I want to share with you that we'll be using in the future. And also I want to also put it out there that I had asked for some ideas for future videos, and I got some great ones, but I didn't get a whole lot. So if you have some suggestions, put them in comments. I'd love to, hear what you would like to see, and you might come up with some stuff that I haven't thought of. So one of the things that was mentioned was some people would like to see some mixed media. So I bought I had, alcohol inks just kind of evaporate after time. So I did pick up a set of 48 new alcohol colors, and where are they? Oh, here they are. And I picked up Tim Holtz's new Distress Spritz. And I got, they had a bundle of all the 12 colors. And I picked up the bundle. So the thing about the Distress Spritz, it's not like the stain or the other things, is that it sits on top and gives a whole really nice look on black, dark cardstock, black cardstock, white cardstock. It's totally different on the darks than it is on the white, but it's very pretty, and I've just played a little bit with them, so we'll be doing a video on that in the near future. We'll be getting inky. So, all right, so the last retreat that I did was a pink fresh one, and it was a glimmer foil / better press. And so I went shopping after. So let me pull out. I have not completed those classes, or I would show you them, but so far they've turned out really, really cute. So first of all, Spellbinders has this thing called the Better Press Society. And with the society, they come out with one special plate every month, and you can only buy it at a brick and mortar store. It's something that they do to help the small business people. And so this is the June one. It says sending good summer vibes, but it's got registration plates, so everything's a different color. So this is going to be fun. You don't need to use the whole thing. You can just do the palm tree, the water, the dock, the sun. You can do whatever you want. And then it always comes with it doesn't come with, but they have an add-on that you can purchase. And this one, it was sentiments, and it says, wish you were here, happy birthday, happy retirement. And it's a cool font. And then I picked up these Lisa Horton Crafts Spotlight Circle Duos. And they're big. Let me measure what they are. They are 3 inches round. So they take up a pretty good portion of a A2 size card. But I thought not only can you use the ink with them, but just to, do the impression, or do the impression with like a light gray ink or something, I think would be a stunning, backdrop for some flowers and stuff. So I'm looking forward to using those. And let's see. Oh, and then Spellbinders had their red, white, and blue sale. So I had it. Pick up a bunch of stuff because that's how I roll. So I got some more of the Better Press. The good thing about the Better Press is that you can use the Better Press in the Better Press machine, but you can also use it in the Glimmer and the foil press that Crafter's Companion had, which is what I have. But look at how cool this is. Just because, happy birthday. This card is full of best wishes. Thanks for just being you. A little something to make you smile. Thanks, I'm touched beyond words. I am so sorry. You are everything wonderful. With sympathy, congratulations. So proud of you. Happy anniversary. Take care. Feel better. And I love the combination of the two fonts together. And they're a pretty good size. And the bonus is that they all press or glimmer on foil at one time. And then they all cut out at one time. I mean, you can't beat that. So I'm pretty excited to use that. And then I did pick up some things that weren't glimmer or Better Press. I did get this stencil, and it says it's hummingbird textures. I don't know why, but it has some really cool different textures to use on the back of a card. This is the lines and then the little splotches. So that'll be fun. And I also picked up this embossing folder, Dazzling Dots. That was part of the sale also. And it's 8.5 by 5.5. So you can do the slimline cards, 5 by 7, or your A2 cards. I just think that's going to be pretty. And then the weekender retreat that I went to, we had gotten a tunnel card that was clouds, and they just came out with the underwater tunnel. But you can use either of them for anything. But look at how cool it has, the different shapes. And then it does have some underwater stuff. So, but I just thought that would be fun to play with. That was not part of the sale though. But I figured while I was getting free shipping, since I had purchased so much, I might as well just go for it. And then look at how cool this is, the Bird of Paradise. I used to have Bird of Paradise in my old house growing. I love that they have how many of each one to cut out. So I'm anxious to use that one. And then I picked up this one, A Friend Like You bouquet, which is really pretty. It's really big too. It is a little over 6 from this point to this point, so that's going to be great for a 5 by 7 card. And then it comes with words, but you can, you know, use your other words from the other set. You can always mix and match your words because nothing's attached. And then I got this one from Simon Hurley for Better Press called Spring Magnolias. This, I think, came out at Mother's Day because it does say Happy Mother's Day. Might have been last year. But it's got some really pretty flowers. And then, again, you can, you know, make your own. Press them, different colors, and cut them out and make your own design on the front of your card. And then this one is a Cosmos, and it's a huge press plate that comes with the stencil. So I'm anxious to try that one. Look at how big that flower is. And this is a full A2 size, so. And then they had some last year's Christmas on sale. So I picked up this. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Which I think kind of has an old-timey. But you can do one color, or you can do, you know, two colors and blend in between on the word wonderful. And then I just love this one. It's evergreens. Look at how pretty that is. And that is pretty big also. Let's see. That's almost 5.5 inches. So that's going to take up the whole card. And then the season's greens, you can either press in, or you can do it separate and then cut and then attached like they're showing it here. And then I picked up just a couple of things from Altenew. I got their new flower bed embossing folders, because you know how much I love embossing folders from them. And look at all the different, there's a dahlia, there's like daisies, all kinds of different flowers. This one's going to be really pretty. This one's a good candidate too for using the black paper on the background, and then doing the coloring, like the couple of videos that I've done. And then they had this bundle called Nostalgic Florals. The bundle comes with the stamp set, these huge dies, and then the stencil. And this flower is a little over 5 inches from tip to tip here, so it'll be nice to be able to do the different flowers and then create, you know, whatever pattern I want. Flower, you know, floral on the front of a card. So that is all I can show you. I did get my subscriptions from Altenew, but they don't come out till August, so can't show you those. So that's it. I'm anxious to have a play with these in the future. Like I said, let me know in comments if there's any things that you'd like video-wise for me to do technique-wise and things that you're interested in. And also let me know if you've picked up any of these, especially anything from the red, white, and blue sale that Spellbinders had. I think it might still be going on too, maybe through this weekend. I don't know if they have much left, but all right, so that's it. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you have the rest of your holiday weekend. Hopefully it's not too hot for you. It is currently, I believe, oh, look, it's 109. What, 3 degrees cooler than yesterday. This is the hottest it's been and the longest it's been hot here for, I don't know, I think since we moved here 6 years ago. I don't know, but I'm not a fan. I can tell you that. So, all right, so that's it. So if you are a subscriber, thank you. We've just picked up a bunch of subscribers, new ones, and so I thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed yet, and you want to, you can hit that subscribe button, and if you want, you can hit that bell, and that bell will send you notifications when there is a new video to watch. Also, the thumbs up button is a favorite of YouTube's. It lets them know that you like a video, and it counts a lot with them. So, and then the share button makes it easy to share with a friend. So, that's it. So, until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.